価格価格価格 is mean chemistry. ジェニーさんは科学が好きです。ジェニーさんは科学が好きです。It means ジェニーさん likes chemistry. 科学科学科学 is mean science. This the pronunciation is similar for the 科学. The last moment we learned the 科学 is mean chemistry, right? But in here the pronunciation is the same 科学 but the kanji is different. So and this kanji mean science. So you had to remember that the pronunciation is the same, but the meaning is different. So when you want to know how to specify the how to know kaku mean science or kaku mean chemistry, you had to listen the sentence. You had to listen the sentence, then you know that what is the meaning. And you see here they say, 私の夢は科学者になることです。私の夢は科学者になることです。Which means, my dream is to become a scientist. My dream is to become a scientist. If you just say about 科学, it means science. But when you put after the 科学 with the 者 or with the mono, the kanji of 者 is mean the people or is mean the owner. So when we put the 者, it mean that the person who learn about the science. So when we put the kanji of 科学 with the kanji of 者, that mean scientist.